Ever tried to automate your life and ended up automating a disaster instead? Or set up a workflow in Zapier only to realize you just emailed your grocery list to your boss again? Let's be real. Picking an automation tool isn't as easy as tech bros make it sound. Let's talk Zapier, Make, and N8N, the big three. Here's the scoop. Zapier is the classic pick for a reason. Plug and play, thousands of integrations, super quick setup. Perfect if you want to get rolling fast without learning code. But real talk, users on Reddit and Trustpilot warn that once your automations get spicy, the costs skyrocket and support can be a bit. If you don't want to think, Zapier's your pal, but check those invoices twice. Make is for those who want to see every step, drag bubbles around like a mad scientist, and tinker with data in ways Zapier can't. More affordable at scale, more complex logic, but it takes some tinkering and time to master. User reviews love its flexibility for teams, but wish it had even more direct integrations. N8N? That's the open source rebel. It's free if you self-host, ultra customizable, and devs love it for privacy control and connecting with wild APIs or building AI-powered workflows. The catch? There's a learning curve. And if self-host gives you hives, maybe steer clear, but power users on Reddit won't shut up about how it changes their workflow game forever. Check this quick comparison. Zapier for plug and play, Make for flexible power without headaches. N8N for devs, chasing privacy and total control. Smash that subscribe for more honest tech deep dives and keep your automations working for you, not the other way around.